Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make an Italian pasta salad. You can serve this pasta salad as a meal or a side dish. First, boil water to cook the pasta. While the water's boiling, you can prepare the other ingredients. For the pasta, I'm using rotini. This is pearl-sized fresh mozzarella. If you can't get these, just get a block of mozzarella or a ball of fresh mozzarella and cut it up. Whole black olives that I've cut in half. You can use cured black olives, Kalamata olives, green olives, or the canned black olives. Grape tomatoes cut in half. You can also use cherry tomatoes. Thin sliced red onion. Salami that I've cut into strips. If you want to keep the salad vegetarian, leave the salami out. Lots of fresh parsley from my garden. And I only have a little bit of basil in the garden right now, so I'm going to use that also. You can use just parsley, just basil, or a combination of both, whatever you have. I also have some dried oregano, red chili flakes, ground black pepper, garlic powder, and salt. We'll also need oil and vinegar for the dressing, and a little bit of mayonnaise and mustard to make it creamy. The water's come to a full boil. Add salt and the pasta. Give it a stir and cook until tender. This rotini takes about 8 minutes to cook. Stir it occasionally. The pasta is almost cooked. It'll be done in just another minute. Make the dressing: olive oil, vinegar, mayonnaise and mustard, and the seasonings. I'll also add a little bit of sugar. Whisk this up. Drain the pasta and put it directly into this bowl. Add the red onion, bell pepper, and tomatoes. Give that a mix. In a few minutes, when the pasta is cool, we can add the rest of the ingredients. Now that the pasta is cooled, we can add the salami, olives, cheese, chopped parsley. The basil you could just tear up. Give it a taste and adjust the seasonings if you need to. It's perfect, it doesn't need anything. Cover the salad and put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. It tastes best after a few hours. This really allows the dressing to really flavor the pasta and vegetables. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. I hope you give this delicious salad a try. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.